Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Anyway, today I'm gonna clean my garage. It is a disaster. I cannot even walk in there, and the kids, as soon as it's clean, they mess it up. So today I'm gonna go ahead and clean it, give it a nice deep cleaning and organize everything, and you know, just throw away anything that I know that I don't need. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and subscribe and like. And I will also be doing the front door, like sweep it and mop it with bleach water, because we have so many ants coming inside the house right now, and I know they're coming from the front door, and I don't like that. I will be decorating the front door for spring. I know it's not spring yet, but I'm super excited for that. So I'm also gonna do that, but that's gonna be in the next video for next week. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do the front door and do the garage today. I am trying to like deep cleaning and organize everything in this house, and I will take you guys along with me. You might get some motivation to do your house also. So anyway, let's go ahead and do it together. Just subscribe and like, support a girl. It's fun and it's free, so let's get cleaning. So much crazy stuff, and oopsie, I just broke something. Let me show you guys from the other side. How crazy is this? Seriously, only that side looked good because I cleaned it last night, but everything else, oh, you scared me. Everything else is a mess. So let's go ahead and organize and declutter and clean this space, make it look way nicer. So let's get to work.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Baby, make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to.
All right, this is the after. Look how nice that look. Now I have my rugs that I can work out on. This is so nice to see. So anyway, yeah, I decluttered, I organized everything in here, and my shelves for food, cleaning stuff, and my cleaning business stuff are looking nice. And I have all my spring decors right here, and all important tools in here, and on top of that, more tools. clean the wall now because there are spider webs, and also I kind of want to do this glass right there, and also take this off. And all these ants are going in there, and I know they're coming from here, so let's go ahead and do that. It looks so much better. There's no spider or spider webs no more. And now let's go ahead and do this floor because it is so dirty. So let's go ahead and sweep it and then mop it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mop it. Oh, I am so thirsty. For the mop, I'm just gonna add some Clorox and just to kill all these ants and spiders. So that's gonna be good. And I'm also gonna add some Fabuloso right on the floor. Got my bleach water, my mop, and I'm gonna add the Fabuloso right on the floor because I heard you don't mix this together. And there's no ant. I love it. I use bleach and Fabuloso, and then the mop, I scrub it and then dry it, but it's not completely dry right now, but it looked nice. So I'm glad I went ahead and scrub it because it looks so much better than just mop. I'm gonna go ahead and let this flow dry, and then I will see you guys next week with a brand new video. Bye.